British uber-luxury car maker Rolls-Royce Cars has unveiled its latest coach-built vehicle, the Boat Tail. The one-off bespoke vehicle is a special commission project that undertook 4 years to be built. The special car takes inspiration from the sailing boat and a yacht, as well as the original 1932 Rolls-Royce Phantom II Continental Boat Tail Tourer. The new age Boat Tail is a soft-top convertible that is 5,800mm long, featuring the automaker's iconic Pantheon grille and the classic circular lights with LED DRLs. The car gets some sharp lines and the nautical references are very suggestive in the profile. The cabin comes with a leather interior that matches the bonnet's color tone, with the front seats covered in the darker blue hue, recognizing the Boat Tail's driver-focused intent, while the rear seats are featured in the lighter tone. Rolls-Royce says that the coach building division will now be a permanent part of the company's portfolio. Ducati India has launched the Multistrada 950S in the new GP white livery, priced at 15,69,000 rupees ex-showroom. The new paint scheme is inspired by Ducati's MotoGP graphics. It comes with alternate white, grey and Ducati red accents and will be available in addition to the classic Ducati red color on the Multistrada 950S. The new white paint scheme is priced at a premium of 20,000 rupees. Mechanically, there are no changes to the motorcycle. The motorcycle draws power from the same 937cc L-twin engine that develops 111 brake horsepower and 96 Nm of peak torque. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 230 kg and competes against the likes of the Triumph Tiger 900 GT and the BMW F900 XR in the segment. BMW Group India has announced that it will extend dealer warranty and service as well as repair packages till the 30th of June 2021. All BMW and Mini customers whose warranty and service inclusive packages expire between 31st of March and 29th of June this year are eligible to avail the benefit. The announcement makes BMW the latest luxury car maker to extend the benefits to customers in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. BMW says that this initiative is a part of the company's focus on customer centricity and peace of mind ownership. Apart from BMW, luxury car makers including Audi, Volvo and Mercedes-Benz have also announced warranty extension for their customers.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.